Hello viewers, hope you all are doing great. In continuation to ongoing series of fat soluble vitamins on my channel Food Cyto, today I am going to discuss about our next vitamin, that is vitamin D. So let's discuss the key features. Vitamin D is also known as calciferol. It is found in two active forms, namely calciferol, which is also known as D2, and cholecalciferol, which is known as D3. Vitamin D is derived from the sterol compounds which occur in plants and animals. How does this vitamin is formed? As we all are aware, natural exposure of skin to sunlight leads to formation of this vitamin. Two compounds which are known as provitamins of vitamin D are, as mentioned here, ergosterol, which is found in plants, and 7-dehydrocholesterol, which is found in humans. As mentioned, RDA, that is recommended dietary allowance of this vitamin, is 15 microgram per day for both male and female. One thing to be noted down is when exposure to sunlight is inadequate, then dietary intake of vitamin D is required. And amongst the sources we have cod liver oil is the rich source of vitamin D. Apart from that, we may have egg yolk, cheese, etc. As represented here, we have the structure of both the active forms of vitamin D, that is vitamin D2 and vitamin D3. Now let's discuss briefly about its biochemical functions. Vitamin D functions like a hormone. It acts as a transcription factor which promotes the expression of gene encoding for calcium binding protein. In addition to that, it also regulates the concentration of calcium and phosphate ion in the bloodstream, thereby promoting growth and remodeling of bones. It also enhances the absorption of calcium, iron and magnesium ions in the intestine. Discussing about its deficiency, vitamin D deficiency leads to poor bone mineralization in the body, resulting in osteomalacia in the old age and rickets in children. Both osteomalacia and rickets result from the inadequate mineralization of bones. The common symptoms of both the diseases include muscle weakness, softening of tissues and fragility of bones. So that's all about vitamin D. Stay tuned with Food Cyto for more such concepts and learning in a simplified manner. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. Thank you for listening.